Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to use PsycINFO Research Services Citation Mapper. First, navigate to psycinfo.apa.org. Come down to this box where it says Discover APA PsycINFO, and either choose Journals or Books. For the purposes of this video, I will show an example from a journal entry. You'll scroll down to Browse All Journals, and you'll pick the journal that you would like to research, and click Explore Journal. Then you'll find the article you're looking for. Once you've clicked on the title of the article, it will bring you to this page where you'll come over to the right-hand side and click Citation Mapper underneath Explore. As you can see, there are several author bubbles connected to the main author of the article, Yang. Select an author bubble, and you will be able to see the author's citation history, as well as see relationships between other authors. For instance, How has a relation to both D. Bussy and Yang, but not Li. And there are some authors that only have a connection to Yang. Hope this was helpful. For more information, please contact the library. Thanks.